Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So tonight I've got an unboxing for you, and it is October's Birchbox. So before I unbox this for you, I just thought I'd give you a quick update on the Birchbox mystery box customer appreciation day saga that's been going on. If you're not quite sure what I'm talking about, I'll post a link to my original video up here. But in a nutshell, I bought 7 mystery boxes and all 7 were exactly the same. So I emailed Birchbox once I'd done my unboxing, just to let them know how unhappy I was, and that had I known that I'd be receiving all 7 the same, that I wouldn't have bought them. I got some sort of automated replies back saying that they had a large volume of emails going through, customer services were very busy, and that they would deal with my message as soon as possible. And a couple of days ago I got a reply back from them, and basically saying that they were apologising and that it hadn't been intended, I think, for everyone to get the same box, and basically they were offering me a full refund, and the sort of that transaction is just going through the pipeline now for my refund to go back into my bank. I understand that other customers as well have been offered refunds. So really, I think if you've purchased all these boxes and you were unhappy with your boxes and it's not what you thought, it may well be worth contacting customer services and having a chat with them and seeing if you can come to some sort of resolution over the whole sort of fiasco. So I feel satisfied that they've dealt with it appropriately. I am still disappointed because I would have loved to have had my 7 different boxes, and I think it's probably just been what could have been a very good PR thing for the company has ended up with a bit of a sour taste. However, I mean, there's been no quibbling or anything, you know, quibbling, is that a word? Squabbling. They've been fine, and they have, as I say, offered me a full refund. So yeah, that being said, I am satisfied with the outcome, so thank you very much, Birchbox. I don't know if you ever watch these videos or not, but thank you. I appreciate the gesture, and I think it helps to sort of soothe the sort of disappointment. So on to this month. Here we go. So October. I feel like my box is a little bit late in arriving. I think quite a few people's has arrived already, and they've been doing their unboxings. So it's here. So I'm just going to get it opened up. Just got my old scissors out. And let's see if I can get it out. Oh, blimey. A lot of tape on this. Oh, this is nice. So, days like these. So it's a very autumnal looking box with your gold gilt lettering. And it says days like these and the Birchbox logo, and it's got a nice sort of bluey striped surround, and yes, I think it's really pretty. Sorry about the glare, but because it's so dark I've got my lights on bright, so you'll have to forgive me. So here we go. What have we got? And Birchbox have listened, and they do now put the card on the top. So let's take the card out. Ooh, there we go. So let me just read the card to you. So yes, for those that don't know, Birchbox monthly subscription box, £10 a month, £2.95 postage and packaging. It's a good one, really. I love it, hate it, but I'm still with it. I was going to unsubscribe from the subscription service, however, I think due to their customer relations, they've dealt with my last problem sort of satisfactorily, so I'm happy. So, days like these for October 2018, and it says, hello Birchboxers, following a hectic summer, we're welcoming the new season with a change of pace. Emblazoned on this month's box, days like these, it's all about embracing autumnal nostalgia in the best possible way, or the best way possible. Slowing down, cozying up at home and indulging in the first of many pumpkin spice lattes. So sit back, relax, and meet the beauty treats that will be joining you on your journey into autumn. Okay. Oh yeah, enjoy 10% off full-size products in this month's box as one of your Birchbox benefits. Plus, once you've received 6 boxes, you receive 15% VIP discount. Sneak peek for November. is a full-size Manakadar Diamond Dust Rollerball eyeshadow worth £15. And you choose either Pixie or Enchanted. I'll probably go with Pixie, the more pinky shade. We've got loads of golds, so that'll probably be quite pleasant and nice. So yes, so there's that. So let's have a look and see where we are. So here we go. Right, first of all, I have to say I'm just going to take these out because these are a little Brucey bonus. Actually, 4 of you used my referral code last month, which is great, so thank you. And because of that, if one person uses it, you get 2 free lipsticks. So thank you to those of you who have used my code. That's really, really good of you. So they are, so it's by state, and wet matte liquid lips, and a, what's this? A lip long. I don't know what that means. Let's have a look and see what they are. So I don't know anything about these. These are just little. So this is in Treat, and this is in, oh, and I think it was like Extra Treat. So yeah. So let's look at this. I don't think this is a shade. I think it's just a little quirky play on words. So this one is in a sort of pinky shade. Let's have a look. Oh, and it's like a, I think it's a gloss, quite a nudie pink gloss, so that's nice. Looks quite natural, so that's nice. And that's in the shade, oh, it does say Extra. Maybe it is. It's not Extra, is it? And then this is one that says Treat, and this is, ooh, this is more like a more traditional sort of brownie nude. And this is, this, yeah, this looks like a liquid lip. These are really, really nice. So thank you guys for using my code. I hope you enjoyed your £5 Birchbox. Let me know. So that's my little extra freebie. So into this month's proper box, here we go. So I'm just going to dive in, take the first thing. So this is Daily Concepts Multifunctional Cerp Sponge Charcoal. And this is, so RRP is £6. It is a full-size product. And it says, this 2-month Cerp sponge combines a detoxifying charcoal cleanser with a gentle exfoliating sponge, so you can skip a step in your skincare routine. Wet the sponge, squeeze it to create a foam, then lather up. The charcoal will gently purify and balance all skin types. After rinsing clean, bask in a squeaky clean feeling. So it looks like you can cleanse and exfoliate all in one. Never seen anything like this before, so I'll be keen to try it, and I'll let you all know what it's like. So that's why I like Birchbox. You get different types of things you've not heard before. Next thing is, what's this? Number 4, High Performance Hair Care Lumiere Diva Super Comb Prep and Protect. There's a little crocodile or something on there. So this is obviously a sample size. It is a 4-star review product on Birchbox, and if full size it would be $26.25. And so this says, this leave-in conditioner instantly detangles, provides a barrier against UV damage, and gives each strand a boost of lightweight moisture to prep your hair for the rest of your styling routine. On towel-dried hair, spray 3 to 5 times evenly over each side of your head and comb through, then blow dry on or air dry as normal. So I am really getting quite good with my hair care recently, so I'm really keen to try that. And again, I'll let you know how we get on with it. So next thing is Galenay. Sorry about the light. There we go. And this is, so full size RRP would be £34.90, and it is a hydrating face cream. So probiotics can do wonders for your complexion by helping promote healthy skin function. This lightweight, creamy moisturiser contains a patented triple biotic complex, that's pre, pro and postbiotics, to deliver long-lasting hydration and brightness for all skin types. apply morning and night to clean skin. So yeah, a different sort of little product again. Bit of skincare. Ooh, looks a bit runny. There's a bit there, so just try that. What does it smell like? It smells a bit odd, almost like a caramelly, bitter sort of, yeah, just almost like treacle type scent. Is a bit odd, I'm not sure, but yeah, we'll give it a go. Next thing is dupe. Wow. So this is obviously a little sample. It's just a little small, is it a spray? Please be a proper, yes, it's a proper spray little bottle rather than your dabbers. So dupe Wow Women Eau de Toilette. Just like a dozen long stemmed red roses. The bouquet in this perfume is simple and classic. Roses in full bloom and peonies are the stars of the show, with a supporting cast of hints of amber and patchouli. A flurry of juicy wild raspberries seals the deal for a musky yet sweet scent that's both airy and light. I do like trying new perfumes. I'm starting to keep these little cards of ones I like, and then I'm going to, all the ones I like, I'm going to pass to my husband around about Christmas time, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, so he has a hint of which scents I like. So let's have a little sniff, making sure I've not got any perfume on already. I'll put it on the back. Ooh. Actually, I quite like that. I'll let it dry down a bit and see, but oh, that's definitely the type of fragrance I like. Oh, that's lovely. I can't describe them, so I won't bother. I'll let you go with what it said in the box. Next thing, check this out. So what is this little thing here? Winky Looks. Disco Gloss in Far Out. So this lip gloss might appear super bright and bold in its tube, but once it makes contact with your lips, the pH adjusting formula reveals a rosy hue. Trust us. Apply it directly to your lips with the applicator and watch it as it transforms. The hint of sparkle adds extra dimension and creates the appearance of fuller lips too. Hang on, we need to have a go. This sounds so good. Let me get a bit of cotton wool. Right then, so let's get this off. Right, and you can try it because that looks purple. It's like very unicorny, isn't it? Mermaidy. Right. So let's have a little look here. So it's ooh. So it's a doe foot. Looks very pink. Look at the glitter. Oh, it's going pink. Oh, that's really nice. So it is extremely glittery, but for a night out or I wonder if it stains your lips. I bet it might do. So I suppose it's one of these that'll adjust to your own pH, and everyone's will be slightly different. So yeah, quite like that. Right. Oh, it's getting pinker. So last thing is what we picked last month, and it was a face mask, and we can pick either a gold or a silver, and it is Beauty Pro Thermotherapy Warming Gold Foil Mask with hyaluronic acid and Q10. So this one is mine, and this one it says so this will be $5.95. So this high-tech sheet mask is infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid and regenerating Q10. It's self-warming foil. Helps ingredients to deeply penetrate the skin to improve elasticity, reduce fine lines and boost glow. Apply it to clean skin, leave for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove a massage in any excess serum. So yeah, I'm going to be really, really keen to try this. I love me a sheet mask, and I've never had one that is a self-heating mask. So yeah, we'll give that a go. Lastly, inside there's a leaflet for 40 free prints, which actually... think I'm going to get, because I'm going to start getting my photos up. So yeah, just a little print thing. But I think there's also like apps as well where you can get your free photos now. They're everywhere, aren't they? So just to sum it all up, we've got the mask, the funky lip gloss. Look at that. That's so good. The hair spray and leave conditioner, the moisturiser, the perfume. How many things have I got here? And the sponge. Plus I got my 2 lipsticks as well. Thank you. So that's really good. So putting the lipsticks aside, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we must have, we normally only get 5 products, so we've got a little extra. So maybe the perfume's a little freebie, in which case, thank you, Birchbox. So yes, I'm going to stay with them for another month. I'm feeling satisfied and happy. I think this is a really good box, actually. I'm really pleased with it. There's a good mix of products. You've got some skincare, hair care, makeup, perfume, so it's a really good variety. So there we go. This is ace. Right, I'm going to get off. So see you all later. And before I go, a little teaser. Tomorrow morning I'm getting up bright and early before I go to work because something exciting has arrived. Let me get this. I've got an advent calendar and I've not seen any unboxings for this one yet at all anywhere. So I'm going to film it in the morning and it will be uploaded probably around about, don't know, about 11 o'clock. I want to tell you what it is, but I'm not going to tell you. All I'm going to say is it costs a lot of money and it looks awesome. So I shall see you all tomorrow. I hope you've enjoyed this. Do give me a thumbs up, like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.